happiness. But above all this, I'm wishing you love. Okay. So it's still the same glasses. I just happened to put it somewhere where the sunshine shines. So it's gonna take a few moments for it to revert back to its original form. I have more things to show. Wait, just a second. For some reason, I'm finding it challenging to stabilize this phone. Yeah, I think that will be. So these are some souvenirs that I got from my last getaway, baby. And they are not vinyl, by the way, they're old calendars. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and you know, this matches my this is this just costs 25 kroners each, and it's way cheaper than a postcard, so I got this instead. And these are really, like, I could cut this and just take I could open them. Actually, that's the point of me making this. I'm gonna open this. We're gonna open this together. So yeah, I'm gonna discard the half of this thing because now I got lost. Well, that's actually one of the things that I have learned from somewhere. I forgot where, to be honest, because I'm learning a lot of things from a lot of things. So one of the things that I have learned, that it's easier to deal with how you feel when you call it out. Like, for example, I'm feeling angry, or I'm feeling anger. Like, I'm feeling anger right now. Could you give me a few? Something like this. If the people you're with are mature enough, they could understand and give you some space. Or if there's the situation is hospitable enough for that to be done, it's a healthy practice, and it helps a lot in like in dealing with the emotion better when you put words on it. For some reason, I haven't really done a deeper research on this one, but at least I could tell you that it works. Like, for first, I guess you just witnessed an example right now when I said I feel lost, and I called it out, and after that I was still able to speak in a manner that makes sense, just not in the direction that I previously wanted to take. So I'm gonna tell you where, or I got this. I got this in a store called, is it Poster World? Yeah, if I remember correctly, it's Poster World. And of course, in Poster World, that's the biggest poster store I have ever been in my life. There are 3 floors. There's all sizes of posters from different, like, movies, art, like art as in painting, movies, art, a lot of actual pictures, historical photographs, you name it, it seems as if they have it. Even Muhammad Ali, they have a poster of Muhammad Ali and One Direction, The Simpsons, everything. Everything. I haven't even gotten through the entire store because I believe that will consume a day. So I just really went through the things that are very, that felt very magnetic to me. And so I was done with the upper floor and the ground floor. And I noticed there is a basement. There is a basement. And I went on the this like concealed sort of entrance, almost behind the cashier. Yeah, people can go there actually. People can go there. It just looks like it's private area, but as long as, this is another thing that I have learned, as long as there is not an authorized person only or staff only sort of sign, I can go in there. So I went in there, and it led me to this very cinematic entrance like going down on the basement sort of. So I was there, and that's where I found these things for 25 kroners each. And you know how much the poster cost? I believe it's somewhere around 45 or 60 kroners. But this 25 kroners each, and it's on the floor. Like there's a lot of interesting things on that basement. But these are the ones that felt very magnetic to me. And I bought two of these things. Yeah, I bought two of these things because I will take the other one to the Philippines, because this is a nice thing to have. This is something that will help the brain remember that it's not only made to survive this earth. This is something that's actually essential for the mind. I feel like this form of this the type of art that the type of art that kind of shakes the way you perceive things. It kind of makes the brain work in such a way that it has never worked before, and that could be used in the practical sense, because creativity helps with solving problems and finding some different approach to things, or dealing with life in general or with people. And I feel like that's why art that stimulates the mind is an essential thing to have around. And I will bring this back in the Philippines when I go. That's why I took two, and I'll open one right now. Did I just... They have returned to their original state. My hands are still shaking. I don't know why it is that whenever I try to speak about something, or speak in general for longer than the usual, I feel a bit like scared, or I feel maybe it's years of keeping things to myself, and that's That's my brain signal that, oh, I am burning your old habits, because now we can speak, we can verbalize things, and they will not just stay in our heads. We have people we can discuss with things. We can have we're capable of putting words to whatever it is that's inside our minds. I am destroying your habit of being scared. That kind of situation. Maybe the physical reaction of it. I don't know what I'm talking about, to be honest. I'm just guessing. Or can you let go? Not you. The 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 the, the wires on my skin. You got wires coming out of your skin. There's the blood on your wrist. You got blood coming out of your wrist. I'm not sure if that's the right lyrics.